Now that we've covered CMYK versus PMS, the different print processes, and the PMS book, it's time to move on to our final topic, PMS Test Grids and product virtuals and proofs. As we learned, PMS colors can vary on different media, and CMYK colors can't be matched across the world because they aren't universal. A PMS test grid prints the color you are trying to match on the specific printer and media. So a printed PMS 151 and a surrounding family of colors. So let's take a look at PMS 151 on 13-ounce smooth. As you can see, PMS 151 looks really close to what is shown on the PMS book. Now let's take a look at the same grid on two-way stretch fabric. As you can see, PMS 158 is closer to 151. Now let's take a look at the same grid on 4mm Coro. As you can see, PMS 151 is closer to PMS 021. PMS test grids are a great tool for when you are trying to achieve a certain color. And PMS test grids are free. Since we're on the topic of color, let's talk about proofs and virtuals. Product proofs and virtuals are not an accurate color representation of your product. You're probably wondering, why aren't they an accurate representation? Well, the coloring of the proof will be close but not spot on. It will never be spot on for a variety of reasons. First, the screen you're viewing the proof on displays content in RGB, red, green, blue, and not CMYK. This means the colors will look different because they are made of red, green, and blue, and not CMYK. Another factor is the lighting of the room the proof is being viewed in, or the lighting of the screen. Light greatly impacts color. For example, look at this image displayed on my computer screen versus my phone, versus a printed proof, and versus the actual print. As you can see, the color varies from each one. That's why it's important to order a PMS test grid if a certain color is trying to be achieved. In conclusion, it's important to understand how color management plays a role in the print industry. Color plays an intricate role in all printed items. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time for another web series.